Hello students, welcome to In 5 Minutes. We'll be starting with December 15 paper for computer branch of complex function module. So question number 2a, that is u plus v is given as 2 sine 2x divided by e raised to 2y plus e raised to minus 2y minus 2 cos 2x. I need to find f of z. I'm modifying this because when I divide 2 to this function in denominator, I can get a formula of cos hyperbolic 2y, and taking 2 common, I can just cancel out with this 2. The step 1 is I need to differentiate this with respect to x, so I can write ux plus vx is equal to cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x the whole square, and then this comes to be cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x. Differentiation of sin 2x comes to be 2 cos 2x minus sin 2x as it is. Differentiation of cos hyperbolic 2y is 0 minus this becomes plus 2 sin 2x. When I do uy plus vy, this comes as sin 2x constant minus 1 divided by cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x the whole square, and differentiation of this with respect to y comes to be 2 sin hyperbolic 2y, and differentiation of cos 2x is 0. Step 2 I can define as x is equal to z and y is equal to 0 by Milne-Thomson method. So we can write ux plus vx is equal to, so first I will be keeping as 0, so cos 0 is 1 minus cos 2z, 1 minus cos 2z, and second is 2 cos 2z. Next is minus 2 sin square 2z minus 2 sin square 2z, that gets divided by 1 minus cos 2z the whole square, 1 minus cos 2z the whole square, and uy plus vy we can write as, when you put y as 0, the whole term becomes to be 0. Step 3 is ux is equal to vy and uy is equal to minus vx. We can use this as CR equation is satisfied. I'll be writing ux plus vx as, this comes to be 2 cos 2z minus 2 cos square 2z minus 2 sin square 2z, and that gets divided by 1 minus cos 2z the whole square, which after solving I can write 2 cos 2z minus, this is nothing but taking minus 2 common, I can say it is 1, so again 2 common, I can write this as 1 minus cos 2z the whole square. So now students, this comes to be ux plus vx. With a simplified version I can write ux plus vx as, this is nothing but taking minus common, minus 2 divided by this term can get cancelled, 1 minus cos 2z remains, and next is I can write this as the second term, that is uy plus vy. I can write vy as ux, so ux minus vx. So I can write here ux minus vx, and that is nothing but 0. Let's add it. One more thing, from this equation you get ux is equal to vx, just for future reference, remember this. And now after adding I can write 2ux is equal to minus 2 divided by 1 minus cos 2z, because I added it, this gets cancelled, and I can write 2 and 2 gets cancelled, I get ux to be minus 1 divided by 1 minus cos 2z. Similarly I can write vx as minus 1 divided as 1 minus cos 2z.